How to get rid of acid reflux with apple cider vinegar. If you are trying to get rid of your acid reflux and you do not know where to start, you can now easily search for more details when you go online. If you click a few pages and check out a few remedies, you will probably come across apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is actually quite popular since it can be used to get rid of acid reflux. Whether it is going to be used as a remedy for skin problems or it is going to be used for digestion, you can be sure that there are different things that it can do. The fact that it is readily available is a big plus too. Apple cider vinegar benefits. Let us now focus on how apple cider vinegar can help for the treatment of acid reflux. You will come across various home remedies, but one thing that you will find consistent is the use of apple cider vinegar to get rid of acid reflux. The fact that it is always mentioned means that it is very effective, right? At this point, you may be wondering how something as simple as apple cider vinegar can get rid of a condition that people become afflicted with, sometimes even often. Do you know that apple cider vinegar can also help get rid of other digestive problems? It can even be used as a remedy for food poisoning. Truly, making use of apple cider vinegar can have a lot of good effects on people. Here are just some of the details that you would need to know about apple cider in general. Vinegar is formed when bacteria and yeast make it possible to break down sugars that can be found in fruits. Usually, after fermenting some of the fruit materials, these fruits turn into wine. A little bit more and it will turn into sugar. Based on these, you can tell the apple cider vinegar is formed from doing some fermenting with the use of apples. The main ingredient of apple cider vinegar is acetic acid. This means that it is a naturally strong ingredient. This is the reason why the use of pure apple cider vinegar when it comes to doing some home remedies is discouraged. It will always be best if apple cider vinegar can be mixed in with other liquids to dilute apple cider vinegar's strength. Prolonged exposure to acetic acid that can be found in apple cider vinegar can be bad for the skin. You have to remember that the use of apple cider vinegar to get rid of acid reflux has not been approved by any medical doctor. If you are planning to use apple cider vinegar to help you with acid reflux every time you have it, you may have to consult with your doctor first to help inform you about the pros and cons of this. Before discussing the dosages that you need to make apple cider vinegar effective, here are some details about acid reflux first. What is acid reflux? Acid reflux is the condition wherein people feel burning pain spreading from their stomach to their chest. This usually occurs because of too many acids that can be found in the stomach that it is already spreading out to different parts of the body. Depending on the severity of the acid reflux, the pain that can be felt can be light to extreme. Causes of acid reflux. It is important to take note that there are different reasons why people develop acid reflux. It is quite evident that it can stem from the food that people eat. Here are just some of the possible causes of the condition. Weakened esophageal muscle. There are times when the weak esophagus muscle can cause the acid to spread out to different parts of the body, and this can cause the pain that you might have felt on your chest. High-fat foods. When people eat food products that are high in fat, this may trigger a larger amount of acid reflux. Do remember that too much acid can cause pain and discomfort. Personal specific triggers. There are times when the food products that can cause acid reflux can vary from person to person. For instance, you may have acid reflux every time you drink coffee, but this might not be the case for other people. You may also have acid reflux when you eat fried foods, but this may not be the same for other people who also experience acid reflux with their own personal triggers. The above-mentioned things are just some of the possible causes of getting acid reflux. Do remember that taking large meals can make people more prone to acquiring the condition. Get rid of acid reflux with apple cider vinegar at home. Here is the way by which you can use apple cider vinegar. Get 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and mix it in with a glass of water. Do remember that you may opt to use organic apple cider vinegar more since this has more enzymes that can help aid digestion. Drink the water mixed with apple cider vinegar before each meal, or if you have forgotten, after the meal. Do this for about 3 to 9 months to ensure that the chance of acquiring acid reflux can be reduced significantly. Another process that you can do is just skip mixing the apple cider vinegar in water. Instead, you are only going to take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar before each meal. You need not mix it in anymore. Tips. The main reason why apple cider vinegar can be effective in getting rid of acid reflux is probably because it can imitate the levels of the acid that is found in the digestive system. When this happens, it guides the food that you have just taken to be digested faster, so the amount of acid that can be found in the stomach will also be reduced significantly because there is less food to digest. Since this is considered to be herbal remedy, you cannot expect that the effect will take place immediately. There is a chance that it would take some time, sometimes even months, before you can start to feel the reduction in the amounts of acids that you can find in the stomach. If you feel that this home remedy is not helping you out, seek the help of your doctor so that your doctor will be able to prescribe a remedy that can be more effective for you and will give you the relief that you need and eventually get rid of this condition.